Hi and welcome back to my kitchen. So we are going to put together today something very simple. It's ground beef with cabbage. And then I thought, instead of just having the ground beef with the cabbage, why don't I throw some rice in there and make it like fried rice with ground beef and cabbage. Let's see what that turns out like. Okay, we got our hot skillet going here with a little bit of oil. I'm going to put my beef in there and we're going to cook that up nice. All I'm going to add to this right now is just a little bit of salt and black pepper. We're going to brown that up. As that's browning up, I'm getting the rest of my stuff ready, which is the carrots. I already got some of the carrots ready. I just have to put them into the frying pan later. Get my onion ready, and I've already shredded my my cabbage, so that's ready to go. Cabbage is ready. You don't need many ingredients for this. You need our ground beef, onion, carrots, some a little bit of tomato paste, some beef stock, and here we go with my eyes. With the onion, sometimes it bothers me, sometimes it doesn't. Today's one of those days where it bothers me. Okay, my beef is ready, so I'm going to take it out and set it aside. Let me lower this for a minute. Now, in the same skillet, same oil, I'm going to add my, there we go. Okay, I'm going to add my onions. Set that meat aside. I'm going to add my onions to this. One onion should be enough. We're going to cook that until it's transparent. Okay, let me move this up. Or you know what? Let me move this camera over here so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to put the carrot. Maybe I'll chop that up. Come on back here. The wind is at the front door. Okay. I'm gonna chop those up. I was gonna put this through my little blender, but then they would be too small for this dish. I wanted them to be cut like this. I think they call this julienne cut. Perfect. Okay, so I don't want to waste all of this. So I'm just gonna cut these up. Throw them in there. Okay, so my onion has become transparent, or most of them have. Okay, now I'm going to put in a couple of tablespoons of the tomato paste and the beef bouillon with 1 cup of water. Okay, so now we're going to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, and paprika. So we're going to put about 1 tablespoon. Okay, if we need more, we'll put more. So let's cook this up for about 2-3 minutes, and then we'll add our cabbage. Medium high, and then we'll add our cabbage. Okay, that's been about 4 minutes. Okay, now we're going to add the cabbage. Just going to add the cabbage to this. I know it seems like it's a lot, but it's not. This wilts right down. So that's going to take probably about another, let's say, 5 minutes. We can add a little bit more water, okay? It's about 3/4 cup. We'll mix that up after, once it gets nice and wilted. Okay, I'm going to put that back on high, and I'm going to put the cover and forget about it for the next 5 minutes. Okay, my cabbage is ready. Look at that, beautiful. So you could eat that just like that, but I bet you any money it tastes better, anyways for me, with the ground beef. So we're gonna mix the ground beef back in there, like so. And you got cabbage, ground beef with cabbage. Delicious. You know, I thought I was gonna put the rice right in here. I'm not. I'm gonna put the rice on the plate and serve this on the side. And that's it. Look at that. I can't wait to have this for dinner, but you know what? Taste test. We gotta do a taste test. A little bit of cabbage, a little bit of meat. That ground beef, oh my God, it just goes so good with the cabbage. It's another must try. See, you keep coming back. Make sure to click on that subscribe, like, share, comment, whatever you can, click on them all. Okay, love you. Talk to you soon.